Okay, everybody. Now we're going to do the more simplified. This is an injector style Venturi or needle style, essentially. Instead of, if you don't want to do all this, saves you buying these parts. Save you $4 or $5. You're already going to buy this tubing for the air anyways, so you got $8 and 10 feet of this half-inch vinyl tubing. So what you do is you can still use the 3/4 by 3/4 slip with the half-inch threaded T here, and then you get your piece of this vinyl tubing. This is a 5/8 ID half-inch OD. Half-inch ID 5/8 OD pipe. And if you don't know what those terms are, this is ID is inner dimension and OD is outer dimension. Most of you, I'm sure, probably know that. But so, anyways, next you'll take some Teflon tape, build it up pretty good here, as I did on this one, and it will actually thread into, so it won't leak into this fitting. And then once you get it set to where you want it, you can put some PVC glue, like some hot glue around there, and that'll continue to seal it up and lock it right into place. But so you can play with this angle a little bit. What I've found is that you don't want any more than a 45, and you want this the top of this to be even with the top of the T there, or whatever pipe you're inserting. With the scheduled 40, it creates more of a jet past it down inside, if you can see it. Now you can, you can actually slow down the amount of water going through this Venturi and get a little less air, but definitely a lot less water if you screw this farther down so this is touching the bottom. But I found that having it all the way up and having that 1/4 inch below the tip of the vinyl tubing allows more air, water to go past it, and then creates a larger suction. So this is real simple, and I found that using this worked the best out of all the hours of testing that you are about to see in the next part of the series. And this was the final conclusion, so I figured I'd go over that right now. So if you need to make a smaller setup, if you're using 4-inch PVC and you want to make smaller Venturis, also because you have smaller pumps, you can do the 1/2 inch. Get this, they'll all be half, slip, a thread, half, and then get smaller tubing like the 3/8 ID and 1/2 inch OD, and then you can put the Teflon tape on it and screw it in there and make a smaller Venturi. And I would do it that way. So stay tuned.